In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a high converting abandoned cart flow on Klaviyo for 2025. This step-by-step guide will take you through the entire process, ensuring you maximize your conversions with strategic timing, compelling messaging, and personalized automation. Let's dive right in. First, begin by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once you're in, navigate over to the Flows tab. This is where all the magic happens in terms of automation sequences. Look for the abandoned cart flow in the available templates section. You have a choice here. You can either select a pre-built template that offers a ready-made solution, or if you prefer more control and customization, start from scratch. Either way, it's crucial to tailor the flow to fit your brand and customer needs. Next up is setting up the all-important trigger. You'll want to choose started checkout as the trigger for your flow. This means that as soon as someone begins the checkout process but doesn't complete it, your sequence will kick in. Then you need to decide on the trigger delay, how long you wait before sending that initial email. Best practices suggest setting it between 30 to 60 minutes after the cart was abandoned. This timing is optimal because it's soon enough to catch your customer's attention while their purchase intent is still strong. Now it's time to build the email sequence. We'll start with the first email, which is your chance to remind your customer about their forgotten items. This email should be sent approximately 60 minutes after they abandoned their cart. A compelling subject line such as "it looks like you left something behind" can effectively draw attention. In the email content, remind them of what they were interested in and, if possible, include a free shipping offer or any other incentive to sweeten the deal. Let's move on to the second email. This should be sent between 12 to 24 hours after the first email. Here, focus on creating a sense of urgency. A subject line like "your cart is about to expire," along with messaging that includes phrases such as "offer expires in 24 hours," can prompt faster decision making. So, remember, urgency is a powerful motivator. Finally, here are some bonus tips to ensure your success in 2025. Utilize AI-powered product recommendations to showcase related or complementary products your customer might like. Dynamic content blocks can help you adjust your messaging based on factors like cart value or product type, enriching the personalization of your emails. You might also consider incorporating gamification, such as a spin the wheel discount offer in your second email, to engage customers further. Hyper-personalization is key. Use customer data effectively to make it feel personal. Something like "Earl, your product is waiting" can make all the difference. By following these steps, you'll create a high-converting, abandoned cart flow in Klaviyo, keeping your customers engaged and boosting your conversion rates. Happy converting?